BBM is supposed to be in the US because the original tariff of 17% was reassigned by Donald Trump in July 9, in a letter dated July 9, nung in-invite ni Donald Trump si BBM na pumunta ng US, okay? Na kung saan, ang sinasabi niya ay, oops, hindi na 17%, 20% na. 20% na. Pero pwede tayong mag-renegotiate. Magre-renegotiate tayo, pero dapat may mga conditions. Ang isa sa mga condition dyan is that hindi kami mag-a-agree sa Fair Trade Act. Yung open access din ng Philippines sa Amerika, no. Ayaw ng Amerika yan, okay? And also, sinabi ng Amerika na yung tariff natin is going to be increased or decreased depending on the relationship of the Philippines